how's it going? Alright, today we're checking out this dash cam from VIOFO, and it's called the A129 Pro Duo. So you get a front dash cam that's 4K and you get a rear dash cam that's 1080p. We're going to unbox it and take a look at what you get. I'm going to install it in my car, and then I'll just capture a bunch of footage. I'll try to get a bunch of nighttime and daytime just so you can see the different qualities that you get from the front and the rear camera. And if you want to get one, I'll have links in the description. Check that out. Affiliate links. If you buy anything, I get a little commission and it helps support the channel. So always appreciated. And you can click a like if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's check it out. Okay, it doesn't come with a memory card, but they do recommend you use a high endurance card, something that can be overwritten a lot. So that's what I've got. There's the cable that goes to the rear camera from the front. Your power cable, USB power. There's the front camera, and there's the rear camera, and a spudger, and I'll show you what you do with the spudger. So that's everything you see here, and that's what you get with it. It doesn't have any built-in memory, so you definitely have to get a memory card before you start everything. So pop it in. Here's where I placed it on my dash, not my dash, on my windshield. And then you're gonna be running the cable along the edges, and it's actually pretty easy. And this is a Honda CR-V, and you just kind of push it under, and it's surprisingly easy how easy it is to move the plastic and pieces away from the edge. So then use the spudger to just push it down further, and basically you can hide it completely so it's almost like invisible. And then here's the rear camera. I had to put it on the hatch, otherwise it wasn't going to display properly. Okay, I just want to show this one here first. This is some overcast daytime, and I was just going into a parking lot here at a grocery store, and this guy on a bicycle that has an engine attached, he decided he was going to try to run into my car. So I stopped the car, I asked him, hey, what are you doing? And he started swearing at me and yelling. You can't hear it, the audio didn't catch it, but anyways, I thought that was fun because this is the kind of stuff you're going to get on camera. You want to, protect yourself from people like this. I don't know what he was going to do now. Anyways, nothing happened. That was the incident, and let's check out some more footage.